Mag-vlog tayo.
A few moments later.
Hi mga ka-period! It's me, Ben! It's me, Max! And for today's video, guys, is try not to laugh kami with water sa bibig namin. At ayun lang. So, ayun naman ako tubig.
Pumunta ka daw at tutulog ka dito sa tabing dagat, kung marerelax yung utak mo. So, tatry natin kung marerelax ka. Ang inalaw! Ang inaskama puta!
Nabasa na yung damit ko. Nabasa na ako. Lola. Benso mo na. Benso mo na. Bina ka na yung pamulas.
I wish I could be the mother. I could be the mother. I could be the wish will go. Everything I see, everything.
Oh my God! What is that?
Everything I see, everything with you, never let you go. See the light, see the city, may tubig, malinaw, may isda. See the light, see the wind, in the wind, in the water. Wonder when I go, what I go, I am water. Cold never but ay, mali pala yun.
Ba't ka sumisigaw? Nangyari sa'yo?
Hilig? Oo,
Ha?
sorry, sorry.
Hindi mo kami natawa. Lang. Hindi mo kami. Next round. Disclaimer guys, di pa namin to nakita ha. Baka akala nyo scripted. Mas, talaga Oy! Hindi siya nag-iisip. Tawa. So, siya nag-iisip.
So, bye-bye na guys! Thanks for watching.
Nag-vlog po yung phone ko.
Guys, so bye-bye na.
So, dito na po nagtatapos yung ano namin. So, please subscribe, like, and share. And thank you po guys. Bye-bye.